The US mission in Pakistan has issued a security alert amid escalating military activity and a temporary shutdown of airspace in key cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Sialkot. While embassies remain open, the US has reiterated its advisory to citizens. Flights are currently suspended at major airports, some operated overnight, but civilian air travel remains uncertain. This is what the US mission in Pakistan said in a press release dated May 8, 2025. The situation between Pakistan and India continues to evolve and we are closely monitoring developments. The US Embassy in Islamabad and consulates general in Karachi, Lahore, and Peshawar remain open for regular business. The US Department of State continues to remind US citizens of its standing "Do not travel" advisory against all travel to areas near the India-Pakistan border and the line of control due to terrorism and the potential for armed conflict. The department's long-standing reconsider travel advisory also urges travelers to reconsider travel to Pakistan more broadly. If US citizens find themselves in an area of active conflict, they should leave if it is safe to do so. If they cannot leave safely, they should shelter in place. Flight availability in and out of Pakistan remains fluid. Some civilian flights reportedly operated overnight. This morning, the Pakistan Airports Authority announced a temporary suspension of flight operations in Karachi, Lahore, and Sialkot. US citizen travelers can check flight status with their airlines or at the airport links below. And they have listed out all the airports: Islamabad International Airport, Jinnah International Airport in Karachi, Allama Iqbal International Airport in Lahore, and Bacha Khan International Airport in Peshawar. The US Embassy also said that it will send updates as needed through their message system and to ensure that everyone enrolls in Smart Traveler enrollment. In its press release, they also asked the US citizens to take the following action. Number 1, exercise caution and leave the area if you find yourself unexpectedly in the vicinity of military activities. Shelter in place if you cannot relocate. Review your personal security plan. Monitor local media for updates. Keep a low profile and be aware of your surroundings. Carry identification and cooperate with authorities. And review the country security report for Pakistan. This alert comes as tensions between India and Pakistan escalate. That's all for today. For more such news updates on India-Pakistan, stay tuned to the Indian Express. Thanks so much for watching.